Right now, warfare is changing. Air defense systems across the world are being challenged by low-cost autonomous drones. And one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The future of warfare is no longer defined only by fighter jets and missiles. It is autonomous swarm drones. These drones use artificial intelligence to make collective decisions, avoid collisions, and execute missions with minimal human intervention. And now, India is building its own answer. Meet the Sheshnaag-150. It's a long-range, AI-powered swarm attack drone being developed by Bengaluru-based startup NewSpace Research and Technologies, also known as NRT. Cost-effective, autonomous, deadly, and potentially a major boost to India's future warfare capabilities. The company focuses on AI-based unmanned systems, swarm robotics, and autonomous military technologies. The drone itself is designed for deep strike swarm missions. Key features include around 150 kilograms total weight, 25 to 40 kilograms payload capacity, autonomous coordination between multiple drones, long-range strike capability, and AI-based swarm attack behavior. Instead of a single drone attacking alone, multiple Sheshnaag drones can communicate and coordinate together like a swarm. This makes interception extremely difficult. The wars of the future may not be fought only by soldiers, but by intelligent autonomous machines. And as drone warfare reshapes battlefields across the world, India is now preparing for that future too. The Sheshnaag-150 may still be under development, but it represents something much bigger: India's entry into the era of AI-powered swarm warfare.